Unplug the range or shut off the circuit breakers for the range. Electric ranges have two breakers that are often but not always connected. Shut off both breakers. Open the oven door and remove the oven racks. Remove the broil element mounting screws. Remove the broil element support mounting screws and remove the supports. Carefully pull the broil element forward to expose the wires connected to the back of the element. Disconnect the wires. Be careful not to let them slip through the holes at the back of the oven. You'll have to remove the back cabinet panel to retrieve them. Remove the broil element. Connect the wires to the new broil element. Push the ends of the broil element through the holes in the oven and reinstall the mounting screws. Reinstall the broil element supports and secure them with the mounting screws. Reinstall the oven racks and close the oven door. Plug the power cord into the outlet or turn on the house circuit breakers for the range. If you pulled out the range to unplug it, slide the range into position, ensuring that the rear leveling foot fully connects with the anti-tip bracket.